Okay guys, we are back for our second unboxing. Today I have a Sephora delivery. Let's see what we got. I got the fragrance sampler. I believe there's about 10 fragrance samples in there. The 2025 fragrance bag. We have the Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is a must-have. I got some Sephora brow scissors. These are helpful for trimming brows and lashes, strip lashes. The Tartelette XL tubing mascara. This one's great. I love a tubing mascara. Doesn't smudge. And I really like the wand. The Anastasia Brow Wiz. This one is really good. This is in soft brown. This is really good for the tiny, making micro lashes. Oops. So super skinny. Soft brown. And I got the small travel size. This is the Tower 28 SOS. So this is the Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This one's great for any redness, calming your skin down. This is a goodie, especially if you have rosacea or acne. And I think that's it, folks. Always so sad. Thanks for watching.